So in the beginning, when we talk about exercise progression, we want to focus on pushing activities sort of that are in the very low range, about 0 to 60 degrees, and kind of the high range, which is about 120 to 180. The reason that is those are the positions in which the scalp is posteriorly tilting and kind of raising. Okay, when we get kind of our arms in this horizontal position, this is where the pump handle action of our ribs happen, our chest wall comes forward, and sort of the muscles that kind of do the muscles between our shoulder blades sort of push forward, so they're not allowing air back there. So things like push-ups, dumbbell presses where my elbows are here are going to do essentially the same thing as a row because those muscles are going to be compressed to raise the rib cage up. So we want to prioritize movements here and here. Okay, so that said, I'm going to start with things that involve me getting my arms up overhead. So I might start an exercise progression where my arms are up like this and I'm breathing. From here I might do something where I rock up and down. Okay, I can make it a little bit more dynamic or harder by kind of coming up onto my feet here. And finally, I can do something where I'm adding back in that compressive component where again I'm just kind of combining the two motions. We want to get there. That's important, but we want to restore kind of that posteriorly tilting in the scalp first so we can expand our back of our rib cage. Another exercise that I like a lot when we start to introduce rowing or introduce pulling would be a dumbbell row. Okay, I can breathe in, exhale, breathe in as I pull back, exhale as I come forward. And the reason this works is because my arm is here, so this putting my arm kind of in this low range is going to help to open up this space back here. Another one would be something like an overhead press where again, I'm here, breathe in as I press up, I exhale as I come down, again because we're working on opening up those spaces. So those are some ideas to get started. Think about static to dynamic, pushing before pulling, and let me know if you have any questions.